Enlightenment awaits, and it's just a flash away. What's the enlightening question of the day?
If your Nest thermostat won't turn on, ensure that the display is correctly seated on the base. Next, check if the circuit breaker is tripped or if there's an issue with the power supply. It's also advisable to inspect the wiring connections to make sure they're secure and correct. If the issue persists, charging the Nest thermostat using a USB cable for about an hour might help. Should these steps not solve the problem, reaching out to Nest support can provide further guidance and troubleshooting assistance.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.